and Swing Trader Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how advanced swing trading tools have become in 2025. IPS Swing Trader provides stock screening, real-time alerts, and portfolio management, but is it right for active traders? The surprising truth is efficiency. Most people get this wrong by underestimating research tools. IPS Swing Trader offers powerful stock screening, customizable watch lists, and timely trade alerts, helping traders spot opportunities without spending hours analyzing charts. Another advantage is education. You won't believe what happens next when you see integrated trading lessons, webinars, and market analysis. Beginners and intermediate traders can learn strategies directly within the platform, improving decision-making and reducing costly mistakes. However, there are cons. The subscription cost is relatively high and the learning curve may be steep for beginners. The platform focuses on active trading, so long-term investors may find fewer benefits. Alerts and signals are tools, not guarantees, and market risk remains significant. In conclusion, IPS Swing Trader in 2025 is ideal for active traders looking for efficient stock screening, real-time alerts, and educational resources. While subscription fees and trading risks are factors to consider, its robust tools and integrated learning make it a valuable platform for swing traders seeking an edge in the market.